I'm here at low tide, my beach friends. Let's go and see what shells and treasures we can find that the tide has revealed to us. Hello, my beach friends. This is what I picked up on our beach walk today. Let's get into the sweet finds. Okay, first I found this giant fork I don't know, just interesting. It's going into the garbage. This is a bottom of a bottle, and they call this sea coins when it's really, really like sea glass, but this is not so, and this is going to be taken off the beach. Speaking about bottles, I found this little bottle here. I don't know what it was for. It's probably going to be in the garbage also. I found this here, a fishing lure. Isn't that cool? I found one before I started filming, but this is a more better one, bigger, so interesting. Then I found this big shell amongst the seaweed that's been washed up. I'm studying the shells, so I don't know what this one is at the moment, but it's in good condition, but it's bleached out. So it's been around for a while. It's all rough here, but it's good. Found this big guy here amongst the seaweed also. This is a deer cowrie. The spots are not that pronounced, but it's still good. It's still a cowrie. Is it broken here? So that was a nice find. I found this cone here. It's yellow, so looks like it had a break and that it was repaired. It's pretty good tip. Okay, moving along, I found, I believe it's a paper fig. I'm not quite sure. It's really broken here. So that's, the tip is good. It's got a good swirl. You can see that. Just this part is broken. It's got a hole there. I found this one here. This is probably going to go outside on my planter box. That's interesting. It's well worn here. I found one of my favorite shells here, cowrie shells. Not much of these. So there we go. These are augers. Found this one here. This one again had like break or something. It repaired itself right there. And this one here. So these ones are coming back. And this shell here, it's in good condition. Okay, I don't know the name, but look at the swirl of that. Isn't that nice? So it's in good condition. Anyways, so that's my finds for today's beach walk, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.